नाविका, मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, आई एम कन्विंस्ड कि मोदी जी बीजेपी के लिए मैनिफेस्टो नहीं लिखा है, ये बाकी सारी पार्टीज के मैनिफेस्टो प्रोमिसेस पूरे कर रहे हैं। फ्रॉम फार्म रिफॉर्म्स टू सीएए टू नेशनल फ्लैग्स टू मेकिंग न्यू पार्लियामेंट टू everything else under the sun, including this now. Everything has been promised and demanded by Congress and the other opposition parties, except that they didn't fulfill it. Modi ji is fulfilling it. And as far as my Aziz dost Waris Pathan साहब is concerned, मैंने इनसे बहुत बार कहा है, मेरे बहुत करीब हैं, लेकिन इनसे कहा है मैंने, पठान साहब आप टीवी पे मत आया करिए, क्योंकि आपके प्रोस्पेक्टिव क्लाइंट्स आपको देखते हैं और फिर वो जज के पास जाते कहते हैं मैं लॉर्ड, मैंने इनको टीवी पे देख लिया, मैं अपना केस खुद लड़ लूंगा, मुझे ये लॉयर नहीं चाहिए। नाउ नाविका, टू थिंग्स हियर। नंबर वन, nobody is going to change the name of India. You are free to use India if you want. You are free to use Bharat if you want. It's just that if the government or its institutions or the Prime Minister wish to use, instead of Republic of India, Republic of Bharat, why should it be stopped? And as far as Waris Pathan Sahib is concerned, I dare him. He is a partner. I dare him to say that Mumbai should now revert to Bombay. सारे वोट इनके लूज हो जाएंगे, तब रोते रोते कहेंगे नहीं भाई मुंबई को तो चेंज कर दिया, अच्छा किया ये। नाउ लुक, लेट अस गेट बैक टू द रियल टॉपिक हियर। नाविका, some advance towards greatness, others return to it. We do both. Quote, the country that lies north of the oceans and south of the snowy mountains is called Bharat, for there dwell the descendants of Bharat. Bharata is the land of works, in consequence of which men go to heaven, men and women go to heaven or obtain emancipation, from the Vishnu Purana chapter 3 400 BCE. वारिस पठान साहब जरा विष्णु पुराना भी पढ़ लीजिए, बाकी सारी होल बुक्स तो पढ़ी हुई हैं आपने। The name of our country has always been Bharat. You are free to call it by any other name. How does it hurt our present and our future that we return to calling our nation as Bharat? Please tell me, will it reduce our capability in any way? In science, in technology, in infrastructure? Will it increase unemployment? Will it increase inflation? Will it reduce the number of highways that Nitin Gadkari is making? Will it reduce the number of Ayushman Bharat health insurance cards that Mansukhia is distributing? Will it decrease the number of toilets from the current 115 million? Will it make 170 million distributed gas cylinders leak? You can airbrush history, Navika, but you can't airbrush a civilization. Nations weaken not because of their past, but rather by how they are taught it. For 70 years, we have been taught to glorify historical injustices and forget our glorious history. From Somnath to Kashi Vishwanath, from Babarpur to Bakhtiyarpur, from Allahabad to Aurangabad, these injustices have deliberately been made visible as though to lionize the debasement, celebrate the humiliation. Just 20 seconds, Navika. Look, those who love Bharat never need to be forced to love her. And those who don't, Navika, no amount of force will make them love her. That said, it must be a matter of pride for Congress supporters who love India but hate Bharat that one family has been awarded so many India Ratnas.